Hello, good morning, everyone. This message is for K1 and Mike Fash that appear to be his US store manager. I'm pleading to both of you guys to give me back my money, or we should settle what we have on ground. If not, the show that you guys think you have on September 5 in Maryland will never be held. I guarantee you that. This is Wale talking. All I want is peace. Is you guys give me back my money, or let's settle what we have on ground. If you think you don't want to, I've sent more than 10 messages to K1. He read my message and ignore it, which are careless. I already called 2 people that I think they can talk to me, but I've told them to back up. I've told Eluku and also Macaroni. I'm giving them last warning to give me my money, or we should settle what we have on ground. If not, the show that you guys think you have September 5 in Maryland